What's up, guys? Hella snow out here, but I'm gonna take out the orange Max and I'm gonna do a snow bash with the Max, Traxxas Maxx, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, my people. There she goes. There she goes. Snow bash, baby. Yeah, baby. Little snow batch out here. Yeah. With traffic. That's messed up, my people. My wife over there shoveling. I'm over here shooting a video. A snow video for you guys with the Max, baby. Check her out. Yeah. Look how sexy she looks. In the snow, baby. Yeah. It makes it. She's all covered up in snow, baby. Batch out here, baby. We got a blizzard out here, and I'm over here bugging out with my Traxxas Maxx, baby. Yeah, in the snow, baby. In the snow. Yeah. She got stuck, guys. It's a lot of snow out here, guys, and I'm out here on this little video, snow video, guys. Yeah, look at her. Yeah. It's a lot of snow, guys, but I'm gonna pull out my X Max tomorrow, and guys, I'm gonna have hella fun with that X Max tomorrow. Holy crap, guys. Let's go over there. Let's go to the main street. You good? You sure? I'm playing with my toys. That's the Max, baby. Ripping the Max in the snow, baby. Look at this, baby. Traxxas in the house. I get stuck. I can't get out of there. But guys, having hella fun out here in the blizzard. These trucks are made not for snow, but guys, oh yeah, I'm gonna rip it out here. Oh yes, I am. Snow bash in the house. Guys, like, subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.